Welcome to short and crisp algo trade training from Market Secrets. If you are interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, use the link in the description to join our ATP program. In this episode, we are going to learn how to get the status of a specific order. So once you place an order, how will you get to know the status, whether it's still open, whether it's already executed? So how to, get the status of any specific orders. So let's see how to script that. Okay. So in the earlier episodes, we talked about, how to get the order details. Okay. So I'm using the same script, order details. So you can use my client dot order report. So this will give you a list of all the orders. That is, it will give you dump of all the orders that you have placed today. Now all you have to do is like go and take the order ID. So for example, right, you might have placed some orders. So you might just go and take the order ID of some of those orders. Okay. So for example, you place this order. Okay. So just giving order ID. So you have an order ID now. So what you can do is like you can create a for loop. Okay. So for each order in order details. Okay. So if you know the order details, I mean, we already discussed, right? Almost all the responses from these APIs would start like this. It will have the success as a keyword. So once that success, we'll get to see the list of the elements. Okay. So if you're not clear, I'll better print it and show it to you. But anyway, right? So I'm just just print it for now, so that we'll get to see it in one shot. So just for our reference, I'm printing this. So if I run it now, the dump of all the orders will be first placed, sorry, first printed, and then we'll get to see orders one by one. So if you look at here, right, so this is as the dump of all the orders, the first line we are seeing. So that runs into lot of pages or so. But once that is done, we are looping through each of these orders. So if you see here, this is the object success. So I'm going into that object and picking each of the orders in this particular array one by one, and I'm printing each of those orders. So now we got individual orders. Now what we can do, we can now look for our order. You have an order ID here, right? So if you look at here, right, you have an order ID. This is an exchange ID. You don't need an exchange ID. You would need an order ID. So you have an order ID here. So if this each order, each order will have every single order one by one. So if this orders order ID, okay, so that particular order's order ID matches with the order ID that we have, okay, whatever that we have above it. If that is matching, then okay, so you should have double equal to, so I missed it. So if it is matching, then what you need to know, the order status, right? Order status of this particular order. So you need to use each and print status. I think that should work, but let's double check whether that's the right thing. Yeah, status will give you the status of those orders. So I just have to print it. Okay, so let's run it now, see what happens. So what I need is, we'll see the same list. Now we'll get to see order details of this particular order status of this particular order additionally. I'm actually not seeing it. Should be some error. I think I accidentally passed the order ID in double quotes. It's not a string, I think. So let me remove it and let's run it once again. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, now we are able to see the particular order's status. So this particular order is in TRAD, so that is traded status. Okay, so this is how you need to get the current status of any specific order. Okay, so if you have any queries about this, let me know in the comment section. Also hit the like, share and subscribe buttons if you find this video useful. Thank you.